In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add IDM extension in Brave browser. If you use Brave and rely on Internet Download Manager to speed up and organize your downloads, getting the IDM browser extension installed is key. We'll add it directly from the file that comes with IDM, so there's no guesswork. I'll walk you through it carefully, and by the end, the extension will be active and ready to catch your downloads. Start by opening the Brave browser. In the upper right corner, look for the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines and click it. From that menu, choose Extensions. On the Extensions page, click on Manage Extensions so you can see everything Brave has installed and the controls for adding new ones. At the top right of this page, turn on Developer Mode. This switch allows Brave to accept extensions that you load manually. It's safe to use here because we're installing the official IDM extension file that's already on your computer. Keep this Extensions tab open, you'll need it in a moment. Now switch to Windows. In the Windows search bar, type IDM. If IDM doesn't appear, you'll need to install Internet Download Manager first, then come back to this point. When you see IDM in the search results, click Open File Location. This first location typically shows a shortcut. Right-click the Internet Download Manager shortcut and click Open File Location again to jump to the real installation folder. Inside the IDM installation folder, look for a file named idmgcextrsaw. This .crx file is the browser extension package that Brave can install. Arrange your windows so you can see both the idmgcextrx file and the Brave Extensions tab. Click and drag the idmgcextrx file from the folder into the Brave window. When you drop it onto the page, Brave will prompt you to confirm. Click Add Extension. After a moment, you should see the Internet Download Manager extension listed on the Extensions page. Make sure it's enabled. If you don't see it appear, double-check that Developer Mode is still on and that you drag the file directly onto the Brave Extensions page, not another tab. A few quick tips if something doesn't go as expected. Verify you're in the actual IDM installation folder, not just the shortcut location. Confirm the file name is exactly idmgcext.ccrx, and ensure Brave is up to date. If the drag and drop is ignored, toggling Developer Mode off and back on, then trying again usually does the trick. That's it. You've added the IDM extension to Brave, and it's now set up to accelerate and capture downloads right from your browser.